Motors family. This is the 1998 Toyota Land Cruiser. It is 4x4. It has the 2UZ-FE 4.7 liter V8 gasoline timing chain engine. It comes with an automatic transmission, and it does have 97,975 original miles. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. I did want to point out that this vehicle does come in kilometers. The number down here is the kilometers. 157,677. The miles on this vehicle again is 97,975. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. I do want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you. I do hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.